I just caught the biggest fish in my life.
Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, pow,
Keep
pow,
them
pow,
coming.
pow, pow, pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow.
Look at that! Oh my God!
Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow.
Corner Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corngird here, back with another episode of Corngird Chronicles. And today, I'm back in the same spot I caught a sheep's head at not too long ago. And we're back. We're going to try it out again, see what we can catch. I just got out here. There's no one here right now. And so I feel good. I invited my friends. Nobody wanted to come with me, so I'm out here dolo. You know how we do. So let's get it. I'm excited. Let's get it. Alright, so as you see, I wasn't able to catch any keepers. Still had a great time out there though. But but dinner still has to be made. So I'm not gonna make anything with fish, so I'm gonna make something with some venison. And I'm gonna make some venison lasagna soup. Now, in this video, it's supposed to be soup, but my pot wasn't big enough to make it soup because I needed more broth. And I couldn't add more broth because the pot was big enough and it was overflowing. So it's just pretty much sloppy venison lasagna, but it'll still work. You feel me? Also shout out to StenCy KEY for the dope gear. Remember, consistency is key. Go to StenCyKey.com to get all the dope gear. You feel me? Right now I'm updating the site, and pretty soon StenCy Key is going to be on the map. All these pieces going to be on there. The new SK. You feel me? So yeah, go to StenCyKey.com. And yeah, guys, so hope you guys enjoy the meal and try this at home. You know, but if you try it at home, get a bigger pot. That's all I'm saying. Just get a bigger pot, and then you can add some more broth, and then it'll be all good. But all right, guys. Alright guys, so let's try it out. I haven't tried it out yet, but it looks it's really hot. It looks really, really good. I wish it was more soupy. I didn't have enough room in my pot. So, you know, it's all good. Oh yeah. That is, wow. That's really good right there. Man, oh man.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated.
Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.